Hello, welcome to Minecraft with After MC. Today I will be doing my tutorial on how to create a simple Bukkit modded server. Okay, so you're in your multiplayer and you want to join a server. Oh, Ollie's on. So, in your file folder, this is for Windows, this tutorial, you'll create a new folder with your server name on. So I'm going to call mine cheese, because I can. Okay, so this is your basic layout. So now what you do is you'll open your Internet Explorer thingy and you'll type Bukkit. Now, this is how you download Bukkit. So we are going to, so you do get Bukkit. Now, there's different versions of Bukkit you can download, but I recommend the recommended build because it's non-glitchy. Okay. And also you will need start.bat, which is a thing you can download off my website. The link will be in the description. So you're going to download your downloads, and you download the Bukkit build. Now, you'll need to rename this Bukkit, just Bukkit, because it wants you to run bukkit.jar, which is this. So you just click the bukkit.jar, starting up the Majestic server, and there we go, our files. Okay, so it's currently running, so I'm not sure when this will work. So when you run it, there we go, there we go. So this is the server. GUI you'll have. Type stop to stop the server. Yeah, it's work in progress. Okay, so now you will need to type cmd, and then you will need to type ipconfig. Press enter. Now you'll get all these lovely things, and you will need your IP4 address. So that's 192.168.0.20. So now you'll right click the server. Now you can edit this in Notepad++. It doesn't really matter. So in server IP, you type 192.168.0.20. You just type in your IP4 address that you got from the CMD. Not that far. So you can close that because you don't need that. Now you can customize the MOTD. You can do like slash things and get it to be color. Like I have, and also like move in and all that. But that's not necessary in a moment, so I'm gonna put mine cheese. Okay, so you press exit. Now this is saved. So now you'll need to port forward it so other people can access it out your internet network. So you'll open a new thing and then do 192.168.0.20. So 0.1, I knew that. So this will, now you'll get a thing that will show like all of your broadband status and things, and so now you'll go to security, so admin and things, passwords. So now you log into this, then you go to services. Okay, so I've already got some added. So now you want your server to run on a special port that you'll be able to access. For example, mine runs on 27082. For this tutorial, we will be doing port 1234. So in the server thing, MC test, you can have it called anything. Now it's essential. Now you should have a thing that's similar to this, but you need to click TCP/UDP, and this will allow both. So start port, you just enter the port that you want. If you want people to access it, be like on Hypixel, so you don't have to pop the port, you'd use 255.255.65. So port 255.65. So it'd be like that. So imagine that's 255.65. Then you, oh no, damn it. Then you click add. So now you've got that. Now you'll go to firewall rules. Now you'll add an outbound service. So then your thing should come up. There we go, MC test. Now you'll have to do allow always. Now it should be in here. Thing that says 255.65 and the name you selected. And you'll do any, and then you'll do apply. This will allow it to go outside the network. Now you'll add an inbound service, find your thing as well, and you do allow always. Now in here, from the CMD that we got earlier, you will get the IP4 address that you also put in your server.properties file, which is the notepad folder, and then you will type what you got at. So mine is 192.168.0.20. Okay, so then you do any, no, you don't, this may not appear, but it should look something like this. Then you click apply. There you go, you successfully port forwarded the server. So now, what you will need to do is you will need to do start. Now it will load all the files and everything. So then in your server port, we will add 12344, which is our port. Now you can add 255.65. The reason it doesn't work for me with 255.65 is which I already have a server running 255.65. So you can't run multiple servers on the same port, otherwise it just won't work. So then you click and don't need CMD anymore. You click start. There we go. So it will do all these. There we go, done. So you're in your Minecraft. Now you'll need to be the version of Bukkit you downloaded. So we will go and open Minecraft. Right. There'll be different versions of Bukkit that you download. So like I'm using Bukkit 1.6.4. You can download 1.7.2, 1.7.9, all the latest versions as well. Some are dev builds, so a bit glitchy, everything. So to change to 1.6.4, do edit profile, use version, then you will find the version you want to use. So we want to use 1.6.4. So now it says, welcome, ready to play and download and play at 1.6.4. So it's downloading all of the files. So we've got all your server. You can do question mark to get all commands. Now servers will not work on us on 1.7 servers will not work. So you'll need to do add server. You can name it anything. So test server. Oh, damn it. Okay. Then you now in the server address you'll add your IP of your IP4 address, which is what we put in the server.properties in here. So say 0.20, so that's what it is for me. You do 12344, which is the port. Now if you have 255.65 as your port, you don't need a colon on that. So there we go, cheese test server. You join. Yeah. So we are successfully on the server. Now if we exit, if you check the same day, it should say you joined. So there we go, Darkness MC logged in. So now you can, now if you want people outside your house to access the server, you'll type IP chicken or anything.com, or if you say, or you go into Google and you type what is my IP address, spelled wrong. Okay, and then your public IP address is this. Or it should say something like that. Or you can go to ipchicken.com, which will tell you as well. People outside your internet will need to do this to connect. So like, hello, I'm someone else, and I need to collect an SW server. So then they will add the server. Then they will add your IP, and then if you're on a port that's not 25565, you will add colon and then the ports. So then that will allow them to connect. But you can't connect in this in your own internet. It just won't work. So that's a basic thing. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe for more content and possibly some tutorials. I'm not sure, but I will be focusing mainly on minigames, and my webcam has been playing up, which is a real pain. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. See you soon.